No doubt that human being is a boundless bird. A natural bird has a certain kind of limitations in flying. To what extent? For example, a bird can fly throughout the forest, but at the end, he or she can't go so far that he or she can't return to his or her nest back. So, within a certain boundary, a bird has to fly because at the end of the day, he or she has to return to his nest for rest. But human being is a boundless bird. It can fly so high that it can even cross the atmosphere of the earth and reach to the moon. And with the development of science, human would be able to go further than moon. So no doubt human being is a very special creature, is a very special bird which can fly even having no wings as compared to a natural bird very high and boundlessly. This is the capacity of a human being to fly boundlessly. But the question is, have you ever dreamt of flying boundlessly in your life, in your field? Have you? Or even if you fly to a certain point, then you consider it as end of life and this is everything. This is not the thing. There is no boundary. There is no boundary for a human at all. If there had been a boundary, then there would have been no difference between a human and a natural bird. But certainly, human has no boundary, and you are losing the humanness, losing the boundlessness, and imposing an imaginary boundary on thyself, making thyself virtually a natural bird. But you are more than a natural bird, you are a human bird, a bird which is very different from natural bird, because a human bird has no boundary to excel, to fly, and to fly forever. But ask thyself, haven't you stopped thyself that this is everything? Now, okay. And the fact is, there is no stoppage. Whenever you stop, whenever you take rest, that simply shows that you have made your mind that this is all. But nothing is all minded, nothing is complete. There is more and more to go up, to fly, to excel, to explore, and it will never end, because you are a boundless bird, you are a human bird. Subscribe if you find this video helpful.